Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and are we ready for day 6? Halfway done. I have to tell you that this is definitely a challenge now, trying to find something different. So, as you have probably been watching, some of you I know, so day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there, and I will leave a link down below to a playlist that has all those videos in it when I created these tags. So for day 6, I did go bump up to a larger tag because of what I'm doing. So right here is the size I've been using. I am now using the largest die right here, and that is part of the tags right here from Crealies, and that's CNLELT09. And like I said, I'm using the bigger one, and then the paper pad, I went digging through my stash, and this is a Say Freeze, and it's a Recollections paper pad, and it's probably a couple years old. I'm not sure, there's no date on it, but I know I've had this for a couple of years at least. So this is what I've used, and I had never even used the pad. I had to cut the sides of the tape to use it. And then I went digging around, and I found this heart shell. It was actually 2 parts, but when I was digging around, the other piece that I had was actually cracked, so I can't use that. So I thought that this might be kind of cute, and I figured we're going to make a shaker element. And when I cut out my paper, I figured we're going to do it like this. And we can hide his face in it. And then in my stash, I had some snow. And then I also have these little shaker pieces right here, sequins, and it's got some snowflakes and stuff. And I've had this for a couple years, or at least a year, I'm not sure how long, but I've had this for a while. And then when I was digging, I had did a Christmas swap at one point, and in the swap I sent in little goodie bags with the stuff. So I came across one of my goodie bags I had made. It must have been an extra one because I had a couple. So I grabbed that. So I'm going to use that. So to start off with, I'm going to go ahead, and I'm using art glitter glue. I'm going to go ahead and glue down this, just like we've been doing. And I just have regular green cardstock. And of course I had to do snowmen again. And I actually looked through the paper to see what would work where I could put something like this on it, and that it would look kind of cute. And it's a snowman wearing a supposedly ugly sweater, but it's not so ugly. So now my only thing is trying to figure out how to add that. So let's see. I'm probably going to have to do this in a couple of parts, just because I don't want a long video of me trying to glue it. So, and I would use the art glitter glue, but it's going to take probably overnight to dry. Let's see. Cute snowflakes. Alright, so let's see how we're going to fill this up. So I'm actually almost thinking if I glue it part way down, and then I could kind of just bend the paper, fill it from the top, and then maybe glue that part down. Let's see. So I want his face in the middle. And then I figure I can always add some snow around the outside of the star when it's done. Let's see. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. I was concerned at first if the plastic was going to melt, but I think we're pretty good. Alright, so that's what I want to try to do now. Definitely gonna make it. Oh, look at that's gonna be cute. You can kind of see, it. I may not have to stop the video. Oh, he's so cute. Now you can really see the... Alright, so let's add some sequins. I am afraid that the glue will pop off. There we go. Cute. Okay. So I think we're pretty good. So I guess I can just go ahead and glue down the rest of this. So far out of the ones I have made, tell me which one you think so far is your favorite. I'm curious to hear what you say your favorite one is. Just kind of let that cool first. Yeah. Isn't he cute? Love it. Alright, so while he is trying to dry, let's get this picked up for a second. Oops. And then we'll figure out what we're going to add. So I definitely think I want to add some snow around the outside to kind of cover the hot glue, although I don't think the hot glue actually is too bad on there. It kind of dried clear, so you almost don't see it, but I do want to cover it over. So get that in there. There we go. A little more. And I'm just pressing it in to make sure it sticks down there. What do you think? Cute. I was glad I had the larger dies to do this because it was just too short. The other die was just too small. Not wide enough, that is. Try to figure out what I'm saying. Not wide enough for the star. And I really wanted to try this. And again, I'm only digging from my stash, trying to find things. So far it's working out. We'll see how well it's still working out come day 12. Might have to go up to the attic and dig up there to see what I got. Let's get some more snow on there. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Neat. Alright, so let's see. That's drying. Alright, now let's see what I got for my little other goodies. Alright, let's see what we can add. Let's check this out. So this video is definitely going to be a little longer than the others, but I was glad I didn't have to stop. So let's see. Something like that maybe. Got these little bows. Let's see. Then I got some of this, just like I had the silver on this one here. So maybe, yeah, kind of like that. So let's do that. And I don't usually, I mean, I have a kind of a plan what I'm going to do when I start making these. But most of it, you're seeing me kind of figure it out in these videos. Let's go on the bottom. Cute. And I couldn't have put this on first because the way my star tip here overhangs, my star is literally like edge to edge on that. So there's not a whole lot of playroom there. And should we do that there? Why not? There's that. Cute. Let's see what else. Got anything else I can put on here? Got these little pearls, but I don't know. Maybe I'll put one at the top. Oops. Can't really see it there. Kind of there. Anyway, what do you think? This is day 6. Definitely dimensional. I think he's so cute. Alright, so there we go. I think we got it. So, let me get this out of the way. Cover up my glue before it dries up. Alright, so what you think? Anyway, we are now at day 6. And if you like what you see, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and thank you for the comments I'm getting. I know one of you is really liking this out here, and I thank you. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with day 7. Alright, till next time guys, happy crafting. Bye!